Hagasiba Arjakatayo, Ginoika School SSA, Hapoka Shatri Jong Meghalaya Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan School Association, Gilaikando Yumentri Katarat Pule Puthi Jokasor Karjala, Banyakran Halor Kikatu Kanitali Kiman. Kini Kiman Kikintu Bikatulop Kabasa Jonki, the San Banai Nangta Ban Kinti Bikatulop Jonki, Nohika School SSA, Barbakasor Karkareban Mangkambon Kapisa Nakabanta SSA. President ke MSSASA uba Aristotle Rambai ulang bakani kanyarap banlaj ni kijing ki balaja haus nam baladam ula pentip syaki ba kijing slaman pelaj katulap kade namar kijing bamdap kapisa
nakaliang jong Honorable Education Minister ila pentip syangi ba kadauhi kijing slam ban pelaj yagani katulap kejongi kabanongkong kejong financial year arjar apoi apuar kata arnai February March kadai na kijing bom dap kapisa kabawan naka state government patung juro naka government of India ila tan kamaro yang iba hadin katu kajingi ki jongi balalok arti March arja kuat te jingi kren jongi ba ila ai assuran ba nakaliang jong ka state finance department kumju nakaliang jong chief minister sa kondaki sama pular ban pelai ya ka additional fund balak kot shispa saukro lai pendulak 100%. Tile tu yang minta wahak apun rutrik jong unai match arajar puar. Nakanika balance additional fund kepada sispa 100 crore lai pendulak ke government of Meghalaya kalau ada pelai 20 crore. Te bat hakaju kapor nakaliang jong government of India kalau pelai ya ketu kasong pisa kebalong 1 crore approximate haktayo bakatu jong unai match. Te kapisa baru kini bayo kamdak kadunano saat na jong na February an March. Te nakaliang jong iro hadin kajing laibo jong ya kajing tho hakhanat jong prime ila de move sapo finance department ban pelaj ya ketika song pisa kepadang sa jong kachispa 1 crore lai pendulak kebamut kepadang sa kalong sa 1 crore lai pendulak naman 20 crore le pelaj. Te hadu menta mene nakaliang jong state finance department kampat pelaj ya ketika song pisa kebalong 1 crore lai pendulak ila itu ro yang ila da pelaj ya kenika pisa kani kandap sibna siteng kenika pisa inang haban wa kilar kelenti kuno ban pendap bandang tangitai arbana swa jo benai February an March.
Nakaliang ubalak men rumpoi menteri Katanat Puli Puthi Joko Sarkar Jala ulai thu bon se kren kerpang bon menteri rangba ka jala kor ke sangma halor kini kijing dawa kinoi kai school SSA.
When next week most probably if I am here or if I am here we will sit and discuss this matter so that we could ease as much as possible the hardship faced by this category of teachers. And regarding the budget provision, the government of Meghalaya has already put the budget provision in anticipation of the grant released by the government of India. So, but the state project director of the SSA Meghalaya is in constant touch with the Ministry of Education in Delhi so that the grant could be released as early as possible.